Next up is a Canon EF mount Tamron 75-300mm telephoto lens given to. This was also a mid to late 90s product. It can communicate electronically with all modern-day electronic interchangeable lens Canon cameras, although the autofocus is a bit hinky with my EOS M50 camera mounted with an adapter. Just pause the video to see the price for the repair and fungus removal. This is a Canon EOS 850 film SLR. I last used this in 2009. I'll link to my album of photos taken with it in the description below. There was something wrong with the shutter mechanism and Dong Camera Shop repaired that, and they also cleaned the slightly hazy mirror a bit. It uses a 2CR5 battery. This is a fully electronic mid-90s era film SLR, so it will not function without a battery. It should be able to read DX-coded film. This is a point-and-shoot version of an SLR in the sense that it has a mirror and it allows for interchangeable lenses, but it is a super basic device with no shutter priority or manual modes. It has no aperture priority mode either, but if your lens is an aperture ring, you can use that. It uses modern EF lenses that can electronically communicate with the camera. Please do check out the various links to related past work I've shared in the description below.